everyone, and welcome to the Children's Museum of New Hampshire. Today we're here celebrating New Year's Eve, and in honor of New Year's Eve, every year we like to make recycled New Year's Eve crowns or New Year's Eve hats. And we do that by using all the leftover wrapping paper, ribbons, tinsel decorations that we might have around the house from the holidays. So what you'll need today to make your crown is a long strip of paper. I took 2 pieces of cardstock and I stapled them together. And you'll need some tape. You don't need staples if you don't have a stapler. Tape works fine. You will maybe need a stapler if you have one at home. And then lots of things to decorate with. So we have lots of leftover wrapping paper around here. And so we've got lots of different kinds, and you can choose what colors you like. We've got lots of tinsel. We even have ribbon that we use to wrap our packages with. So there's lots of things you can use. Even markers are fine for decorating, of course. And you might need a pair of scissors just to make some cuts. So if you're going to make a crown, you want to put your 2 pieces together of cardstock or cardboard, anything that would be flexible. Measure your child's head or your head, and when you get the right size, you put it together to make a big circle that will fit right on your head like a crown. And I'm going to staple mine together so it looks just like this. And then I start decorating. I can use markers to color it. I can add some wrapping paper on mine for designs. So I'm going to add a little wrapping paper around the edges so it comes all the way around, covers up the white part, and it's starting to look like a crown, isn't it? So then I can put on some tinsel if I feel like it. I can add some ribbon if I want to dangle around. Now if you're more interested in making a hat, there's a way to do that too. We can take a paper bag, either a large one or a small one. This will fit a small child. Roll up the bottom of the bag so it has a little bit of a rim to it. And then again, you can color with marker. You can add decorations to that by sticking them on with tape or even a stapler if you'd like. Using up some of those old wrapping paper pieces. I'll show you some of the great crowns that people have made here over the past. Look at that. So the same thing, we're using the strip of paper to make a circle and then just decorating it any way you want. There's another neat one. They're so pretty and festive with all that pretty paper that you probably have around. And look, if you really want to make a fun hat, use that paper bag and just decorate it by adding strips in different colors of wrapping paper or tinsel, anything you'd like. And so once you have your hat made, well then it's time to count down to the new year. So let's see, everyone, if you've come to the museum before, you know we have this really large clock that we use to count down to midnight, even though it's not midnight yet, but it's getting close. And so I think everyone knows this year it is 2020. That's right, this is the year 2020. So next year will be, 2021, very good. Okay, well let's count down together. So get your hats on or get any kind of hat on, maybe a noisemaker with you, and let's count down. Are you ready? We're gonna count from 10 to 1. That's counting backwards. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, everyone. And it's not 2020 anymore. It's 2021. Happy New Year, everyone. Here's to a very safe and happy New Year to everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope to see you at the Children's Museum of New Hampshire very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.